My dear students, in the last two videos, I gave you informations about the brief introduction as well as the characters of the lesson, the last lesson. I think now you are capable to understand the theme of this lesson very well. From today, I am going to start to teach you the text of this lesson. As I told you in the introduction that the narrator of this lesson is French, where in this lesson, in this text, I has been written that refers to French. I started for school very late that morning. The language of this lesson is very easy, very common. The writer has used very common language to express his ideas. It is a good thing. Our language must be easy, but not classical, literary. The language, according to me, the language is that which can be understood by the most of the people, not only the literary persons. So here the language of this lesson is very easy. I started for means I moved from my home to school very late, means he became late that morning. And was in a great dread of scolding. Dread means fear. And he was in a great dread of scolding. Scolding means rebuke or rebuking, chiding. डांटे जाने का उसे बहुत अधिक भय था, स्पेशली विशेष रूप से बिकॉज एम हैमेल, you know better about this character, had said to whom? To friends, that he would question us on participles. Here me, the writer has not written here me, us. Means he had instructed to all the students that he would have asked some questions on participles. Participles are those verbs which qualify noun or pronoun, means which do the work of adjective. These are three. First is present participle, second is perfect participle, and third is past participle. So he would ask some questions to all the students of the class on participle. And I did not know the first word about them. About them means about participle. Friends tells to all of us that he did not know the first word. पहला शब्द तक नहीं जानता था वो. किसका? पार्टिसिपल्स का. Means he did not have a bit of knowledge about participles. पार्टिसिपल्स के बारे में जरा भी ज्ञान नहीं था उसको. For a moment I thought of running away and spending the day out of doors. एक क्षण के लिए, friends is telling to all of us, for a moment means एक क्षण के लिए, I thought of means he thought about. एक क्षण के लिए तो उसने सोचा, और काहे के लिए? रनिंग अवे, भाग जाने के लिए. और क्या करने के लिए? स्पेंडिंग द डे आउट ऑफ द डोर्स. और पूरे दिन को बाहर, आउट ऑफ डोर्स मीन्स बाहर, बिताने के लिए. Here the writer is describing the nature of that day. It is the speciality of the writer. We can feel it. First is, it was so warm. This story is the story of Middle Europe, means of cold country, where it is bitter cold. बहुत ठंड होती है. तो on that day it was so warm. कुछ गर्मी, so means very warm. Warm full morning थी. It was warm full morning. So bright means it was also sunny. सनी भी थी, धूप चमक रही थी. The birds were chirping at the edge of the woods. Edge means border. जंगलों के किनारों पर. The birds means चिड़ियां, पक्षी चहचहा रहे थे. The birds were chattering with joy, because for them it was also very pleasing morning. In the open field back of the sawmill, in the open field back of the sawmill, sawmill कहते हैं आरा मशीन, टिम्बर. बैक ऑफ sawmill मीन्स आरा मशीन के पीछे का जो खुला मैदान था, वहां क्या हो रहा था? What was happening there? The Prussian soldiers were drilling. Prussian soldiers क्या कर रहे थे? ड्रिलिंग कर रहे थे. ड्रिलिंग मीन्स they were practicing for the tricks of battle. युद्ध के जो ट्रिक्स हैं उसका अभ्यास कर रहे थे. It was all much more tempting than the rule of participles. For friends, it was means this was this nature of the morning. All much more tempting means attractive, बहुत ही ज़्यादा आकर्षक थी इसके लिए, फ्रेंड्स के लिए ये सब वातावरण जो था यहाँ का। क्या था? फर्स्ट इट वाज वार्मफुल मीन्स pleasing morning. It was sunny morning. And the birds were chattering where? At the edge of the, it means border of the forests, and in the field back of sawmill. आरा मशीन के पीछे का जो ओपन फील्ड था उसमें प्रूसियन और सोल्जर्स वर practicing, drilling is practicing the tricks of battle. So these sites were very attractive sites for friends. Then the rule for participles. पार्टिसिपल्स के रूल के अपेक्षाकृत ये दृश्य उसके लिए बहुत अच्छे लग रहे थे। I am to say something to you. If you pay more attention to all those activities which are being happened or which are happening, being happened or happening, and you do not have interest in your study, so it is impossible to make the career bright. You are specific. You should always think that you are a specific, special person, but not a common person. When you would have such feeling in your mind all the time, then you will build yourself up. And you will try your best to show your abilities and eligibilities to prove yourself. Friends did not have interest in participles. He did not know the first word about this topic. But all the sights of the surrounding, they were very attractive to him. This shows how he was. कैसा था वो ये प्रकट करता है. But I had the strength. ये भी लिख रहा है वो. I had the strength means I had the power to resist. To resist means to control. नियंत्रण करने की उसके अंदर शक्ति भी थी. और जब उसने अपने आप को नियंत्रण कर लिया, when he controlled himself for the attractions of the surroundings, means when he decided firmly not to attend those attractions of the surrounding by his controlling power, it is a good thing. Hurried off to school. स्कूल की ओर जल्दी से चल पड़ा। When I passed the town hall, there was a town hall. जब मैं टाउन हॉल से गुजरा तो देयर वॉज अ क्राउड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द बुलेटिन बोर्ड. There was a bulletin board, notice board. All the commands, all the orders, all the instructions were written on that bulletin board by the rulers, by the authorities, to address to all the people of the village. So when he passed the town hall, there was a crowd. There were many people gathered there. In front of bulletin board means notice board, means something was being written, कुछ लिखा गया था उसमें. For the last 2 years, 2 सालों से, पिछले 2 सालों से, all our bad news had come from there. जितने भी बुरे समाचार थे वो सब उसी नोटिस बोर्ड से निकल कर आए थे. This shows that this war means between France and Germany was going on for the last 2 years. ये जो युद्ध था दोनों के बीच में, जर्मनी और फ्रांस के बीच में, पिछले 2 सालों से चल रहा था. तभी आगे लिखा है, the lost battles, these were the informations which had been written on that notice board during the last 2 years. Dropped the orders of the commanding officers. कमांडिंग ऑफिसर्स के ऑर्डर ड्रॉप्ट किए गए थे उस पर. ड्रॉप्टिंग की गई थी. एक्चुअली ड्रॉप्ट मीन्स आदेश पत्र होता है. In the letter or the notice that instruct something to the pile of people. I thought to myself, मैंने विदाउट स्टॉपिंग, बिना रुके हुए, मीन्स ही डिड नॉट स्टॉप देयर, नियर द बुलेटिन बोर्ड, ही डिड नॉट स्टॉप. विदाउट स्टॉपिंग माने बिना रुके हुए. ही थॉट टू माई सेल्फ, उसने स्वयं में सोचा. व्हाट कैन बी द मैटर नाउ, अब क्या मामला हो सकता है. Then I hurried by as fast as I could go. और इसके बाद वो बहुत तेजी से, hurried means तेजी से, fastly, आई कुड गो माने जितनी तेजी से मैं जा सकता था उतनी तेजी से मैं आगे बढ़ा. द ब्लैक स्मिथ. देयर वॉज ब्लैक स्मिथ देयर. ही वॉज ऑल्सो रीडिंग द न्यूज. एक ब्लैक स्मिथ था. ब्लैक स्मिथ का मतलब लुहार. द नेम ऑफ दैट ब्लैक स्मिथ was Wachter. Who was there जो वहां था? He was not alone there. अकेले नहीं था. With his apprentice. अपने अप्रेंटिस के साथ था. अप्रेंटिस मीन्स हेल्पर के साथ था. उसका हेल्पर भी उसके साथ था. Who was being getting trained under his guidance. Called after me. मुझे पुकारा. Don't go so fast. इतनी तेज मत चलो भाई. बप. बच्चे को कहते हैं. You will get to your school in plenty of time. This was the comment of blacksmith. कह रहा है कि तुम्हारे पास स्कूल पहुंचने का पर्याप्त समय है. Friends also understood well his feelings. I thought. Who thought? Friends thought. He was making fun of me. कि वो उसका मजाक उड़ा रहा है. And reached और पहुंच गया. Where? M. Hamel's little garden. All out of breath. M. Hamel के छोटे से गार्डन. और कैसे पहुंचा? आउट ऑफ ब्रीथ मीन्स हाँफते हुए. ब्रीथिंग हार्ड. The next rest of the lesson I will teach you in the next video from this line. Thank you very much for watching this video. You are not writing comments. Having watched the video, in each video I tell you to write down comments, your problems. If you have understood well the theme, you should write down understood. समझ गए. And if you have any problem to understand any word, I am telling word, you should ask your question in comment box of YouTube. Thank you very much.